What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a little bit different than any other video I've done. I'm going to be doing a DIY project. So behind me, all you guys see is a pink wall, but what's really behind me is this. I have this blank white wall behind me and I've been wanting to do something different. So I've already kind of started on a few different projects and I'm going to show you guys what I've been working on. So the first idea that I had was to buy gesso and some different types of paint, black and white, acrylic, and oil paint. And I made these paintings. You can kind of see the texture. So gesso is basically just a plaster mold that you use for paintings. This one I did the gesso and then painted it white. And then this one I did the gesso and painted it black. The second thing is I went to IKEA and I got a bunch of different frames. Now the issue is some of the frames were actually navy blue because they were sold out of black, and I took it upon myself to paint them. Didn't turn out too well. It's not painted very smooth, so I don't know if you can see, but there are a lot of different lines from the layers of paint, and it's even kind of peeling. They're all different shapes and sizes. So inside of the frames, I'm going to be adding some of my own photography, one of my graduation photos, and one print off the internet. They're all high definition, high pixel, high quality, and I had them printed at Walmart Photo Center. So I'm going to go and pick those up right now, and then we'll get started decorating the wall. Got them. Okay, I'm back, and sorry if the lighting is a bit off. It's only 5 p.m., but in the 15 minutes I was gone, the sun has completely gone down, so it's really dark. So here are the prints I got. We have this little palm tree ocean print, a New York sign, a photo from Iceland. This one I got online. It's just a film camera and some Polaroids. A photo of my graduation. This photo of Paris. I think they're really cute, and I got them all in black and white because that's kind of the theme I'm going for. Now I'm going to put them in the frames and try to sort out how I want them to go up. So I'll add the websites and the prices of everything down below in the description. So I also got some sticky tack because that's how I'm planning to put these up on the wall. I don't want to nail them just in case I kind of change my mind or want to rearrange them. So I'm going to start off with the largest one. I'll also add the prices for the frames and all of that. These little plastics have like a little film over it that you can take off. So the photo's actually a little too small. Yeah, I don't want that brown outline. This is gonna have to do for now until I can find a different background. Oh my gosh. See, I wasn't prepared to improvise. I'm gonna have to leave these little barcodes there for now. At least they're black and white, right? No, I can't have this here. That's not gonna work. That works, right? Okay, the gray background isn't too bad. I think I'm going to do it with the gray. I might have to do this with all of them because I'm assuming they're all going to have this same issue. And I'm just going to use some sticky tack to keep the photo in this, to keep the photo centered. Only 5 more to go. Oh, at least this one fits. So I'm just going to speed through the rest of the framing and then I will get back to you guys when I'm ready to put them up on the wall. Okay, so I ended up printing out 6 photos, but I only have 5 frames. So I have this white frame and I'm debating if I want to use it and put this photo inside. I'm gonna try it out, and if I don't like it, then I don't have to use it. So far I put up 1 photo and I'm kind of just gonna build everything around this large photo. So I'm thinking I'll take the white one. Oh, that does not look right. Maybe I'll do the white one last. Put a little bit of sticky tack. I wanted to find those little two-way sticky things, because sticky tack can peel the paint on your wall off, so you have to be careful with it. This one, okay. There is a science to this. I'm gonna take a bit of sticky tack. On the two that I've painted, I am gonna be taking them down and repainting them or peeling the paint off, but I'm just putting them up for now. This New York one, where do I want to put that? I'm going to put it here. I don't really know about the placement, like I'm not completely sold on this, but for now, I'm just going to do it this way, and at least I can change it because I'm using sticky tack, so I can easily just take it off and move it to wherever I want to put it. When I was choosing the photos, I tried to kind of choose ones that were a little bit different, very artsy. So I have like a beach one, and then I have city life. This was just really artsy, so I really wanted that one. Just a quick warning, because I know some of you are going to be screaming right now. The white one is just temporary. Now that I've seen it up and I see how blank and how small it kind of looks, I'm gonna go and get maybe 2 more of these really large ones. It's also really hard to use this white one because it doesn't have any of the clips at the back. They're all broken. This is a really old frame and they are pretty delicate, so I'm just gonna put that one down here for now. And then I'm gonna put this right here. I feel like everything's kind of going this way. I really did try, and I feel like it isn't terrible. When I'm doing my videos, I'll be like this, sitting here in front of it. And I really just wanted a nice little backdrop for my videos. I didn't really think about the reflection of the ring light in it though. Let's see how it looks. So I also have my paintings, which I really wanted to incorporate into this. And I just don't really, I'm not 100% sure yet because I don't have all of the frames that I wanted, and I just don't know if it would be too much. Let me know in the comments down below. Do you think I should add these, or do you think I should just keep it simple, go and get some more larger frames, redo these crusty ones that I tried to paint? Let me know your opinion. And for now, I'm not going to be putting these up because I really do have to decide whether or not I think that's the right thing to do right now. This was really fun, and I do want to try doing some more DIY projects on my channel. And if you want to see more videos, join in on the fun by hitting that subscribe button down below, so when I post a video, you'll be the first to know. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.